Have you ever wondered how network virtualization works? It's a fascinating world where physical boundaries blur and new possibilities emerge. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the intriguing world of network virtualization. Network virtualization is a method used to manage and control physical network resources. It's like creating a digital replica of your physical network, allowing you to manage it more efficiently and effectively. The first component we need to understand is the virtual machine, or VM. Imagine your computer as a house. Now, wouldn't it be fantastic if you could magically create multiple fully furnished houses within your existing house, each operating independently? That's precisely what a virtual machine does. It's a software emulation of a physical computer, running an operating system and applications just like your physical computer. Next on the list is the hypervisor. Think of it as the magic wand that creates these virtual machines. It's a piece of software, firmware, or hardware that creates and runs virtual machines. It sits between the hardware and the virtual machine and is responsible for distributing resources as needed. Now, let's move on to virtual switches. If we continue with our house analogy, consider the electrical wiring. It's there, hidden within the walls, seamlessly providing electricity to every corner of your house. A virtual switch works similarly, connecting virtual machines within the same physical machine to each other and to the physical network. A virtual router, much like your home router, directs traffic. But instead of managing devices such as your phone, laptop, and smart TV, it manages virtual machines. It ensures that data packets move between VMs or between VMs and the physical network. Lastly, we have network functions virtualization, or NFV. This is about virtualizing entire classes of network node functions into building blocks that interconnect to create communication services. Think of it as virtualizing tasks traditionally run by hardware, such as firewalls or load balancers. To summarize, network virtualization is all about creating a digital twin of your physical network. It involves virtual machines that replicate physical computers, hypervisors that create and manage these VMs, virtual switches that connect VMs to each other and the physical network, virtual routers that direct traffic, and network functions virtualization that virtualizes tasks traditionally run by hardware. It's a fascinating world, isn't it? The ability to create, manage, and manipulate a network without physical constraints opens up a wealth of opportunities. From increased efficiency and flexibility to cost savings and easier management, the benefits of network virtualization are truly compelling. And that, dear listeners, is the magic and wonder of network virtualization.